Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to share a ready-to-use tandoori spice mix recipe. It's easy to make at home and reduces your prep time of making any kind of tandoori dishes. So let's get started. Adding in 2-inch stick of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon black peppercorns, 5 green cardamoms, 2 black cardamoms, 3 cloves, 1 bay leaf, 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, and 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. I will lightly roast the spices on low flame for around 1 minute so the moisture dries up and it's easy to grind. Once it cools down, grind it into fine powder. Now mixing together spice powder, two tablespoons of ginger powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 4 tablespoons of chaat masala powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 5 tablespoons Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of salt. Mix together. Store this in an airtight container and your tandoori spice mix is ready. I use this mix to marinate chicken, paneer and all kind of veggies. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.